Alright, it's starting right about now.
Welcome back. We are the Why Do This team, Killer and
Glass?
here with the shitty video. This video is a Mega Man Battle 3 Let's Play. This will be the first one on the channel, so I'm kind of happy for that. But the title of this this episode, is called Out of Order. Yeah, just like the effort in this video, and what would you say?
Yep. One thing I do have to point out is, no, I'm not even going to point it out until later. But should we start the video?
Start the video.
That's attractive.
The fuck? I'm muting. Nope.
Okay, so this guy's mic has like the worst audio quality in the world.
Yeah, and that's some handiwork there. White Bowser 1 must have given tips.
Well, at the very least, at least now he's almost keeping it, steady, so...
Mm-hmm. And I'm sorry, that whole quality is gonna have to be the whole video, isn't it? Because for the love of shit, I just couldn't stand it. Oh, he's finding a family virus thingy. And this battle is going to become. Oh, please die to mushy.
Come on.
If you stopped hanging in the back column, you wouldn't be getting your ass kicked. I'm just saying.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
pausing the game is... That was such a difficult battle. Don't you agree?
That battle was OP. I mean, how could anyone beat that? How could anyone do that battle without pausing? It's almost
I mean, that's like Battletoads difficulty right there.
I mean, did you see what you had to do? You had to literally just move to other columns. I mean, who'd have thought, right?
I mean, normally if it was like one mushroom guy, then we could have done it, but 3 of them?
Yeah.
Fuck that shit.
Fuck moving to other columns and shit. Fuck that.
Fuck this game, it's too difficult.
I have to pause the fucking game, yeah. God forbid I use an actual controller for this shit. God forbid I actually have to get skill. Then that's just wrong.
So, what they're doing is they're doing a camcorder LP of this game, which is readily available on emulation, and since they have a copy of this game, it's legal to be emulating this.
And since it's an LP, he already started from the beginning, which means he could have done the ROM recording from the ROM to begin with, you know. Oh, another virus. Great, spikies this time.
At the very least, he knows where he's going. So, that's a little bit better than when I'm playing this game, but... Then again, I've seen small children better at that, so that's kind of less of a compliment and more like a... Did he just say that he forgot anti-damage was on, even though he just said it?
Apparently. I'm gonna take your word for that, because I'm not listening to this kid.
Oh, man.
I'm not listening to this kid, no. Not doing it.
You're actually lucky.
How'd you fuck that up?! How'd you fuck that up?! There's more than one thing out of order in this video. Wait, what? It's over already? Wait, what?
That was a 3-minute video?
Why did you need it to be 3 minutes long?
YouTube doesn't have a time limit, okay.
So, what was that video again?
3-minute waste of time?
8-minute waste of time, that sounds about right. Okay, so we have here a video of him playing Boundary 3, using a Game Boy player apparently, when this game is emulatable, as you said. So, how old must this kid be again?
You know what? He's got like the... I want to say that he's the 4-year-old and stuff, but his voice is a little bit deep to be a 4-year-old.
But then again, the video competency has to be that of a 4-year-old. We gotta do some math here. If we take the age of this game, subtracted by the amount of games in the series, add on to this his voice age, which I'm gonna say 16.
Right.
Divide this all by the video competency, and then add the two of us, and you should end up with 6. Sounds about right?
6.
You could check it by adding the 4 back in.
What if I were to multiply that by Admiral Balthier?
If you multiply that by Admiral Balthier, you get freaking 6 actually, because Admiral Balthier is 1 year old.
Huh. Or maybe he counts for one person. One person who could arguably make a better video, obviously, but...
Then you had to do a summation formula.
Hmm.
And that's a bitch. I'm not getting summation formulas. So we'll do 6, maybe 6.3. Sounds about right?
Yeah, that sounds about right, actually. Got the calculator app up right now, so...
Okay. Don't worry. As you can see, the calculations are written right there on the screen, so you'll know exactly how he came to his conclusion.
Yeah.
And there's one more thing I want to say. Next!